Outside it's too hot. Temperature is 31 degree right now. 410 किलोमीटर हमने कवर कर लिया है घर से.
600
Taken a small break at Alapakka restaurant for what? 150A. Roads this total 515 किलोमीटर from home cover कर लिए हैं. The landscape started to change. So this is a long mirror. Welcome to another trip. Today we are heading for another destination and it is Chikmagalur. So total time that it is required is 12 hours approximately without break. So now let's hit the road and start our trip. So as per Google Map you can see the time required is 11 hours 26 minutes. Total kilometer is 674. Maybe some diversion in between, that's why it was initially showing 664. So expected to reach as per Google is 356. Right time right now is exactly 4:31. So probably we'll take some break. So it may take 13 hours approximately, 12 plus hours. So we are now entering ORR. And the time right now is 4:45. Expected to reach by 3:56 p.m. And the total distance is 664 kilometer. It's 664 kilometer from ORR. So we will be taking NH44 and from there most likely take a left turn at Anandpur. We will see how the traffic is and whether Anandpur will be better. There are two other route options. We'll keep you updated which route we take, but most likely we will be taking left from Anandpur and connect to Kalyan Durg bypass road. This is our first stall of the day. So we have crossed Jharchara and there is some diversion over here. Some road works going on. There was one diversion just before Jharchara and now one after. Time right now is 5:58 in the morning. So far we have covered 100 kilometers from our home. Other than these diversions, the road so far is good. Diversion is also not bad. The road conditions is good. Still dark, and I think after 6:15 only we can see some light. Total distance left is 575 किलोमीटर. अभी भी 575 किलोमीटर बाकी है. समय लगने वाला है 9 घंटा और 50 मिनट. 9 hours 49 minutes. Expected arrival time as per Google is now 3:48 in the afternoon. If we take some break, so far we have not taken any break. Based on that break time, there will be some increase in time. So approximately I am expecting somewhere around 5:36, 5:30 to reach our hotel. So taken a small stop for few minutes and then we'll head for back and to the road. So time right now is 6:26 in the morning. Total time left right now is 9 hours 23 minutes. अभी भी 9 घंटा 23 मिनट का समय बाकी है. Expected to reach as 3:50, 3:49 to be precise if you can see the Google map. So after a break of 10 minutes, We are again back on the road. I have taken a small tea break. I had brought tea from home. घर से चाय लेके आया था. 10 मिनट का थोड़ा ब्रेक लिया है. Time right now is 6:34 and the temperature outside is very pleasant. It is cool and 22 degrees centigrade, cooler than Hyderabad. In some time we'll see the sunrise. So now you can see the sunrise. Sun is rising. The time right now is 6:47. Early morning. Kurnool right now is 75 kilometers from here. Weather right now is foggy. It is not clear. Maybe because of pollution. It's very smoggy. काफ़ी धुंध है. Most likely pollution के कारण. You can see the board. Kurnool is now 23 kilometers, Bengaluru 426, but we are not going to Bengaluru. Nice green fields. 524 किलोमीटर अभी भी बाकी है. And as per Google 3:52 arrival time at the destination. Only one break of 10 minutes I have taken right now, so the time not changed much. 2 more big breaks we will take, one for breakfast and one for lunch, and some small breaks for tea and washroom. Probably by 6 o'clock we'll reach our hotel. Approaching another toll. This is the third toll of the day, excluding the ORR. We are about to cross Kurnool, and somewhere here there is a cut for Raichur, which will take you to Chikmagalur, which is another route for Chikmagalur. For Hampi also you can take the route, but we are not using this route. We will take left from Anantapur. अभी हम कुरनूल क्रॉस करने वाले हैं. यहाँ से रायचूर के लिए एक कट है. अगर आपको हम्पी जाना है तो ये रूट ले सकते हो, बट आज का हमारा डेस्टिनेशन चिकमंगलूर है. चिकमंगलूर के लिए भी इधर से जाने का रास्ता है. This is also NH, that is National Highway, so yearly annual pass is valid. Time right now is 7:34, so roughly we have covered 3 hours so far. अभी भी 8 घंटा और 15 मिनट का सफ़र बाकी है. 8 hours and 15 minutes more without break. But most likely we may take 1 hour, half an hour, 1.5 hour more break. टोटल किलोमीटर अभी तक हमने 213 किलोमीटर के आसपास कवर कर लिए हैं. कुरनूल इज़ अराउंड 200 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम आवर होम. The next major city is Anantapur. So we are crossing Tungabhadra river. This is same river which is there in Hampi. We have taken a small stop at Udupi Sri Krishna restaurant. Though we have brought breakfast from our home, but we have taken a washroom break and then we'll have a breakfast here and then head for on the road. So time right now is 9:27. So hopefully half an hour break and then we'll head back on the road. So if you can see the restaurant, so this is Udupi Pure Veg Restaurant. So you can have your morning breakfast over here, and washroom is also clean, so you can go for a washroom break also. So we are now back on the road, and the time right now is 9:50, so around 30 minutes of break, 25-30 minutes of break for breakfast. So we will be taking left from Anantapur, and after that we'll move to Kalyan Durg, via Kalyan Durg, Hirayur, and then Kadur. After that Chikmagalur. So probably based on the current Google suggestion, it looks like we'll reach by 6 o'clock. So 4:42 is the current expected time, which means one more break and it may be around 6. So around 5:36 we will reach Chikmagalur. 5:30 से 6 बजे तक हम चिकमंगलूर पहुंच जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट विल अब हम अनंतपुर आने वाले हैं. अनंतपुर से हम लेफ्ट लेंगे टुवर्ड्स कल्याण दुर्ग, एंड देन हिरयूर, एंड देन कदूर. So we have reached Anantapur, and from here there is a left turn, and then we'll connect to the Hirayur road, Kalyan Durg and Hirayur. So we'll keep you updated how the road is. So after taking a slight left from the highway, we need to take a right turn in around 1 kilometer. So this is a service lane. So earlier Google was suggesting to take the road from Guti, but we didn't took because we are planning to take the same route which we initially decided, like from Anantapur to Kalyan Durg, then Hirayur. There is an option to take go via Bellary also, but that is slightly longer. Will not take that route here. It's a national highway 544D as per Google. Pretty busy. I think it's Anantapur. So we will be covering around 50 kilometers on this road, and then take a left turn towards Kalyan Durg bypass road. So we just crossed a toll on this road. This is the same road which we have taken from Anantapur, 5440DD. This will connect to Kalyan Durg, and from there we'll reach Hirayur. Total distance right now left is 278, and as per Google we'll reach by 4:30. But We may take one lunch break, so 1 hour more. So 5:30 is tentative time.
Lane departure.
Outside it's too hot. Temperature is 31 degree right now.
Lane departure.
Not sure how is the weather in Chikmagalur, but right now in this part it is very hot. बाहर का टेम्परेचर अभी 31 डिग्री है, काफ़ी गर्मी है. 277 किलोमीटर अभी बचा हुआ है एंड 4:30 तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे विदाउट एनी ब्रेक फ्रॉम हियर. बट मोस्ट लाइकली हम लंच के लिए ब्रेक करेंगे तो 5:30 तक पहुंचने की उम्मीद है. रनिंग टाइम लेफ्ट इज़ 5:45 minutes. So from here you can see lot of windmills all over. चारों तरफ काफ़ी सारे windmills हैं. Weather is very dry outside, but dry and hot. Because of Monday, I see very less traffic today. So unlike all the other trip, to this trip we are planning on weekdays because Chikmagalur is very crowded on weekend. So we thought of going on weekdays, and the advantage is that the road is very empty. So this part I am coming for the first time. So this side I have not come, and this route is new to me. So we'll let you know. So far from Anandpur, the road condition was good. Road काफ़ी अच्छा है, but you cannot drive more than 70 on this road, 70-75. But the road is smooth, no potholes. Frequent speed breakers are there, but no potholes. So the massive windmills, lot of windmills if you can see. I don't think there is any wind, as it is not rotating. And speed limit in this road is 60. You can see the board. फ्रॉम ये सामने से देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. सामने से लो, इधर में देखो काफ़ी अच्छा है. फ्रॉम हियर 1 hour 30 minutes covered from our last break. That is the breakfast time. Time right now is 11:15 approximately. $410 किलोमीटर हमने कवर कर लिया है घर से अभी तक. 242 किलोमीटर और बचा हुआ है. There was small diversion on this road. There is some road construction. Otherwise, 100-meter patch only. But otherwise, the road so far is very good. थोड़ा सा डाइवर्जन था 100 मीटर के लिए, अदरवाइज रोड काफ़ी अच्छा है।
Lane departure.
अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 घंटा और बचा हुआ है ट्रैवल विदाउट एनी ब्रेक एंड एक्सपेक्टेड टू रीच बाय 4:30। सो फार मेरा माइलेज अभी 17 किलोमीटर पर लीटर का दे रहा है ऑन दिस हाईवे। इट इज स्लाइटली लेस देन नॉर्मल, बट दैट टू बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग speed petrol. If you are using normal petrol, the mileage may be further less because of E20 petrol. Speed petrol is, I think, E10 or E12 some, so it has little more mileage. So if you use a normal petrol, the mileage will further reduce because of the ethanol blending. So 410 किलोमीटर में 17 का माइलेज, it's not bad. बाहर का मौसम काफ़ी गर्म है, 33 डिग्री टेम्परेचर अब हो चुका है। किंग कल्याण दुर्ग बाईपास रोड, the straight road will take to Bellary. That route also, there is also a road from there, but we are not taking that. We'll go via Kalyan Durg bypass road. If you see that there is no road on this, so I will not suggest to take the Kalyan Durg bypass. Instead, take the road straight to Bellary and then Hirayu. So this road till some 15 kilometer it was good, but from after that for next 4 kilometer or 5 kilometer there is virtually no road. It's like off-roading. So if you want, you can come, but I will recommend to take Bellary. Now from here it is all good. So around 3 kilometer, 2 kilometer it was off-road. Otherwise also it passes through 2, 3 villages. Roads are good, but lot of speed breakers. So Bellary road, I'm not sure how it is. So while returning I may take that, and will keep you updated if that route is much better than this one. But otherwise, kilometer wise and time wise, this seems to be more efficient. So if you are traveling on the daytime, I think there is no issue in taking this route. But if you are planning on the night, I think better take the Bellary route. So the time right now is 12:18. Still 186 kilometer left. As per Google, right now we are expected to reach by 4:17 p.m. So we have almost managed to cover up 20 minutes. In half an hour or so, we'll take a break for lunch. So we may reach by 5 or 5:30 as per current estimate. The road so far is good, except that this road is a state highway and it is between few villages. So there are a lot of speed breakers in between. Otherwise the road is good, and being today Monday, virtually no traffic. अभी भी अब 185 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है चिकमंगलूर के लिए। 3 घंटा और 47 मिनट एज़ पर गूगल, प्लस ब्रेक टाइम। सो मे बी 5:30 बजे तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे, शाम को 5:30 बजे तक। सिंगल लेन रोड है, बट यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज 70 + 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड। Not sure on the weekend, but on like today Monday, आज traffic नहीं है, तो decent speed, small in between bad patch, but that is manageable. Only drawback is इस रास्ते में कुछ खाने का नहीं मिलेगा, तो if you are planning to take this route, साथ में कुछ स्नैक्स या अपना खाने का कुछ रख लो. Otherwise the road is between farmlands and villages, so it's more very scenic. If you come on the rainy season or winter, it will be more green. It's March, so it's pretty hot also. Taken a small break at Nalapakka restaurant for washroom and lunch. Lunch we'll have from our own homemade lunch. हम अभी थोड़ा नलापक्का रेस्टोरेंट के पास रुके हुए हैं फॉर वॉशरूम. वॉशरूम वाज ओके, नॉट वेरी क्लीन बट इट्स ओके, नॉट वेरी बैड. एंड टाइम राइट नाउ इज़ अराउंड, इट इज़ 1:15, so perfect lunch time. So if you are planning to take this route, especially via Bellary, you will reach this restaurant. It is in the Bellary Road on NH 150A. It's on a highway, so it is easy to find. So you will not have any issue on finding it. I don't know the food quality, what it will be over here, because I am not planning to take any food from here. So we have brought our own food, so we'll have that. But definitely you can stop here for your washroom breaks. You can see the front view of the restaurant Nalapakka. It's nice parking area. We have few trees, so good shade on for hot summer. We are back on the highway. It's 150A. Roads. This highway is very good. You can imagine that the speed limit is 100 km. So the condition of the road, you can imagine that. And time left, it is 3 hours 5 minutes as per Google. So we have taken a small 20 minutes, approx 20 minutes break. And we made it fast. अभी भी अब 3 घंटा 5 मिनट का समय बाकी है और किलोमीटर वाइज 150 किलोमीटर ही है. Expected to reach by 4:40 गूगल के हिसाब से है, 4:38. 5-5:30 मैक्सिमम पहुँच जाएंगे. अभी एक और ब्रेक लूँगा पेट्रोल के लिए. एज पर ओडोमीटर रीडिंग अभी भी 250 प्लस किलोमीटर चल जाएगा, बट प्लानिंग टू फिल इट सो दैट कि रिटर्न तक का ज़रूरत ना पड़े. हिरयूर यहाँ से अब 70 किलोमीटर के आसपास है. हिरयूर के बाद कंडूर आएगा, कंडूर. ऑलमोस्ट हम पहुँचने वाले हैं. टोटल अब तक हम घर से 510 किलोमीटर चल लिए हैं. 8 hours 32 minutes रन टाइम. ओवरऑल रोड इज गुड. थोड़ा सा बीच का 50 किलोमीटर अराउंड स्टेट हाईवे है, विच इज थ्रू some small villages, but the speed is, you can maintain a good speed, so कोई issue नहीं है. और if you are traveling in the daytime, no issue. Only thing is कि बीच में बम्पर है, but otherwise it's good road. The second option is, instead of taking Kalyan Durg bypass road, you can take the Bellary road. You can directly go to Bellary, and from there you can take the Bellary-Hirayur highway. So about to cross a highway, a toll on the highway. Charges, I'm not sure how much it is, but we'll let you know whether it is part of. I think it should be part of. It should be part of the annual pass because it's national highway. The good thing of this highway is it has a speed limit of 100, so you can drive smoothly on 100. And being Monday, I'm not sure whether it is because of Monday, but traffic, there is no traffic on this. Only 1 or 2 cars coming up. अभी भी हिरायूर अराउंड 70 किलोमीटर के आसपास है. एंड ओवरऑल लेस देन 3 आवर्स ऑफ ट्रैवल टाइम एज़ पर गूगल. अभी भी 4:36 का समय बता रहा है, तो हम 4:30 से पहले भी पहुंच जाएंगे. 4:30 मतलब 5 तक पहुंच जाएंगे, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कितना ब्रेक लेते हैं. और आगे मैक्सिमम 5:30 हो सकता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होने की उम्मीद है. टोटल 515 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम होम कवर कर लिए हैं एंड रिमेनिंग स्टिल 140 आउट किलोमीटर. अभी एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे पेट्रोल के लिए. अभी भी फ्यूल लेफ्ट, इट इज़ शोइंग एज 263 किलोमीटर फॉर दैट, बट फॉर एज सेफ्टी आई विल फुल द टैंक सो दैट next 5 days no issue. Bellary-Hirayur road. So I think that highway was for only short duration, but the road was very good on that. This is also okay. And I think the temperature outside is 35 degrees. It's very hot. Still early first week of March and the temperature has crossed 35. काफ़ी गर्म है बाहर. नॉट श्योर चिकमंगलूर का मौसम कैसा होगा, बट एक्सपेक्टेड दैट इट विल नॉट बी गुड. आई थिंक इट विल बी वार्मर साइड. व्यू तो बहुत मस्त आ रहा है. अब थोड़ा लैंडस्केप चेंज हो गया है, थोड़ा मौसम कूल भी होने लगा है. 2 डिग्री टेम्परेचर कम हो गया है, माउंटेन्स दिखने लगे हैं. द लैंडस्केप स्टार्टेड टू चेंज. लॉट ऑफ ग्रीनरी एंड हिल्स. अभी भी 115 किलोमीटर बाकी है. हो सकता है 5 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे या उससे पहले भी पहुंच जाएंगे. गूगल के हिसाब से 4:40 का टाइम बता रहा है. एज़ पर गूगल 4:40. अगर कहीं रुक 5-10 मिनट या आधा घंटा अगर रुक लिए तो 5:30 मैक्सिमम. So if you can see the windmills, there are windmills on mountains. on the hilltops. First time seeing windmills on hills. I'm not sure whether you can see it in the camera, but lot of coconut trees also. So there are lot of coconut plantation. There are coconut and dates is also there. It looks like these are coconut trees. So the windmills, you can see the windmills on the left side on the small hills. Not sure which dam. We'll update it in the description once I find it out. But beautiful landscape. Now I think it is not visible. So this is our hotel and our room. So this is the bathroom. And you can see the bath area, towels. So this is a long mirror, place to keep the luggage, tea, coffee, small TV and a study table, 2 chairs for sitting, and this is the bed. Nice room, spacious, and it's also clean. So finally we reached our room at around 5 o'clock. 5 we reached our hotel, and after check-in it was around 5:15. After taking few minutes of break and rest, we went for a dinner. We had a dinner in the same hotel, and now we are winding up the day for today. It was a long journey, 64 kilometers approximately, and it took us 13 hours to reach, including the breaks, and we had 2 breaks overall. Thank you for watching this video. Stay updated and stay with us, and we'll update you for how the trip is and how Chikmagalur is and what are the different places to visit. Also, we'll cover the return journey towards Hyderabad after a few days. Thank you for watching.